Hello again. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's see how much you know with a few quick questions.
Welcome to the Dental X-Ray Physics Challenge. Let's test your knowledge with 5 high-yield questions. Question 1. Which component of the X-ray tube serves as the specific source of electrons? The correct answer is the cathode filament, which releases electrons through thermionic emission. Question 2. Which component is responsible for restricting the size and shape of the primary beam? The lead collimator is the component that restricts the primary beam to reduce patient exposure. Question 3. Which interaction with matter is responsible for the radiopaque areas on a radiograph? The correct answer is photoelectric absorption, where X-ray energy is completely absorbed by the atom. Question 4. What is the primary source of scatter radiation in dental radiography? Compton scattering is the primary source of scatter radiation in dental diagnostic imaging. Question 5. Which interaction causes deflection with zero loss of energy or ionization? Coherent scattering involves a change in direction of an X-ray photon without loss of energy. That completes our quiz. Check the video description for more resources on these high-yield topics.
Thanks for visiting. Follow along for your daily dose of rapid dental reviews. Remember to learn, like, share, and inspire.